Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to change your number format in Google Ads account. Sign into your Google Ads account. In the upper right corner of your account, click on Settings and Billing icon. Then under Account Setting, click Preferences. Click to expand the display language and number format section. Then click the Display Language drop-down menu. Select your preferred language. Now click the Number Format drop-down menu and select the number format you would like to use. Click Save. This is how you can change the number format in Google Ads account. Thank you for watching.